You don't enter inside bush. Miracle. Then you go allow you today here.
Who should be this mark for your head?
My person will carry you to.
He say carry razor for that.
Now cut you the razor. Now pastor.
Where am I?
Pastor now wish to. No be wish. But you be wish.
Why you cut him?
You be wish. You sure? How many people don't kill? How many people don't kill? Only 3 people.
Man or woman?
Man or woman? Man. How many man?
Where your mama dey? Where your mama dey?
In the where?
In there where? For where?
From village. Now which village?
From where?
Huh? Which village? Now which village? Where for Akwa Ibom?
So we are so sorry we can't show you the picture of that boy's face because we'll be violating his rights as a child. Well, that's a little boy from Akwa Ibom State who changed from a rat to a human, and then he was caught and his hands were tied. Well, after the interrogation, people found out that he's actually from Akwa Ibom and he has actually killed 3 people. So move on to the next news. This is a video of a gas explosion near RCCG camp. Yeah, a video of a gas explosion here. This happened on Monday, 29th of August at the Redeemed Christian Church of God Redemption Camp on Lagos Ibadan Expressway that is close to Mowe bus stop. Well, what's the video? Well, the cause of the explosion is still unknown, is still uncertain. So that's all we have for today. Well, shortly after the explosion occurred, the fire service department rushed down there to quench the fire. All this brings us to the end of the news. Please, if not subscribed, please do to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget, this is MyP News, a channel where you get lots of interesting information. It could be political news, academic news, sport news, entertainment news, and even world news. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel before leaving here, and feel free to like it and also share it on your various social media handles. Thank you so much for coming back.